Okay, arrange your toys, your bag, your shoes. If you want to go swimming pool. Yeah, excited na siya guys kasi finally natapos na tong swimming pool dito sa building na to. Pwede na makapag ano sila yan. Swimming doon. Sa wakas. Sige. Oh? Oh, napanay mo nga sinina diya. Oy, marang kalat ha. And guys, naruan ko sila yan. Practice ko siya na maglinis sa kanyang makalat. Sure kalat. Sige. Faster, napay mong bago prita, imong sinina oh, gibutangan nimo sa lugar, human nag-ilis, imong shoes nganong gibutangan mo na diha. Ay butang na imong shoes dala, imong bag. Kana human, kan sina nimo. Imong bag, gidumok ra. Yari siya nimo na later ha, yari siya nimo later. Ano napay mong kasori so, imong ipabitay sa bangko. Yari siya later ha, ready na kayo siya guys. Is ready sa ano. Kasi finally natapos ng swimming pool dito sa building na ito. Oy, imong bag, punita imong bag. Mana? Lian, dan imong shoes, di na butang ang shoes dia. Ayun si imong shoes. Dito na ibutang dito sa kuan. And guys, naruan ko siya mag-arrange. Ibutang sa lamisa, table. Yeah. Imong shoes, napay sa kabag, oh. Tiruan ko yan maglinis. Ayan makalat, guys. Para makapag... Oh, tarong mag-arrange!
Balok ka. Di ka balok.
Tarong mag-arrange, tarong nga. Ready na kayong pangligo niya, oh. Excited na kalian?
Yeah. I go to swimming pool.
Finally.
I like it. I like swimming pool.
Yeah?
Yeah. Done.
They're done.
Yeah.
Finish. Di na dito na utang. Oh, imong basura. Anong wala mo na gilabay yung basura sa trashcan?
No more.
Imong storage box. Oh, i-cover na. Taro nga. Taro. Tingnan alog na. Butang sa ano. Storage box ni mo. Wala pag i-cover.
This was the balloon.
You know that.
It's so big, heavy.
Oh, among kanang lugnan. Ang lugnan ko atong lugnan nasa floor.
Then done. Swimming pool time.
Swimming time.
Daddy gets it from Chicken that one over there. Look.
What?
Chicken swimming. Like na.
Yan. Yan yung suot niya, guys. Pang swimming. Ang ganda. You like it, Lian?
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah.
Your shoe? Oh, your... Ready na pang ano?
Right, sir.
Gole. Pictures ito.
Done.
Picture. You like it? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh, you know. Excited. Happy na si Lian. May swimming pool. Okay na yung swimming pool dito. Gosh. Like a kid. Lian.
Push it.
Pee-poo-poo.
Oh, happy tayo. Eh, pag yan.
Pee-poo-poo.
Dati na kayo ka mag-swimming pool?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Now I go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's ready.
Are you sure it's ready? No, it's not ready. Oh! Ayaw po tayo.
First one in the pool.
You're first. You're the first here.
The water's warm.
Yeah. Hoy, Lian!
And the clothes on
Pag-wait.
next week. Not closed on Monday.
Lian, lalom ka na dia. Honey, Lian, oh. Ayan, manghi. Dito na. Lalom ka na dia. You can ask him if it's okay in my camera.
Oh, are you okay to be in the picture? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, I want to be in the picture.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, good. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. No, he can't, honey. It's nice.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, video.
Thank God the pool's on.
Yeah, finally.
We waited 1 year.
1 year. Yeah, 1 year and half. Oh. Yeah, 1 year.
And the other condos, man, they're closed on Monday.
Uh-huh.
This is open 7 days.
Oh, 7 days.
They'll
Every day.
feed every day.
Wow. Oh my gosh. How many times have you been there and outside?
I want to go again. Like, ever since he got back, I want to go to the pool. I want to go to the pool. He's pulled out. He's pulled out.
It's sweat, honey. Nakatulog naman eh.
He's pulled out.
Parang pang-apat na to kabalik-balik sa ano guys. Sa taas doon sa pool. And gusto naman niyang pumunta doon. Yan, nakatulog na siya naghintay. Hindi pa nakabihis.
Go to the pool. The pool.
Oh my gosh, Lian. Asa man ta? You want to go pool na? Where you want to go?
I'll go up.
I thought you're sleeping.
No, right.
Why?
I'll go.
Oh, okay. Lian,
What?
come here. What are you doing there?
I'm peeing.
Oh.
Heck,
Honey,
touch me.
that's good for me.
A heck.
What?
A heck.
Huh? Oh, you caught him.
Wait. I thought you are sleeping.
Queen Jets.
Cool jets. What the heck?
Wait, it's bad.
What the heck?
Ano, natulog ka.
What the heck?
How many times na ka na dito sa pool, ha? Okay, ilis na ligo na sa shower.
Triple. What the heck?
You want a night swimming?
What?
You want night swimming?
Yeah. Swimming for the school jump.
Okay, let me.
Ayan na, ayan na, nang kwan. Then,
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
magkwag laundries, daddy.
Told her how to get laundry.
Let's go swimming
I'll bring
pool.
that.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool.
No, pag ligo na dito ka ng kwan. Ganun na kag naligo, ha? Balik ka ta, ugma na pod.
Swimming pool.
No.
Yeah.
No, ligo na ito sa shower.
I said yeah.
Tomorrow na po, tomorrow. Kawa ka klase tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll go swimming pool tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
You can live up there in the pool.
Tomorrow na po. Ah. Tighaya rin isa. Tighaya. Enjoy kasi Lian. Enjoying with Ate Maris. Asa si Lian? Ayaw ba ni Pa? Si Pa? I got you.
Yes. I got you.
Tomorrow na ko. Kay kining Talawan ug Bugnaw. Sidra mo na, ang paliguan rat mo na. Ay! Ayaw pamuhi ha, kay lalong taga-asa siya. Aliog, lalong dyan para niya. Hi, Ate Maylin. Ito yung makasama ko dito, guys. Mga asawa ng ano, AFAM, retired AFAM. Sa Ate Maris. Yan. Mahilig siya sa bata, pero wala siyang bata. Si Lian, pinangga niya si Lian. Nanadyo kay kauban na ligo. Don't drink sa water na ka. Ayaw bag-inom na. Kaya malimpyo kayo mong tinai. Enjoy kang duha. Ang dragon. Dragon sex. Kan? Alin ito? Naligo na sa diya. Iya na. Kita na dari. Sama ni.
Try mango.
Mix ni? Mango, mango rin ay. Hindi ako maligo. Dagat init kayo.
Na, bisa ko lang alam. Hindi gani mo ka ang dalawang dito.
Na edad ay pa.
Tapi bulan.
Stagnan. Stagnan sa tuwa, nag-flowing siya. Stagnan ka flowing na flowing eh. Night flowing.
You're the first. You're the first on the
Magyud mga ihi mo.
place. This place.
Nakalang na ugaw-ugaw.
Mo na ano ni kay dugot kon ta kon ba. Mo. Ato ka paano mo karon market ka?
Aga naman.
Baga. 5. Morning.
Ato Medina.
Maulit ko ron. Di pa sana matinga.
Ako ba do? Ano na?
Tapos traveling pa ko.
Oh my gosh!
Hawi na yan. Hawi ka. Kali nakatulog yung nabot lagi. Gusto mo balik. Nakatulog na.
Patulog kay pasama.
Ayaw, wala may kabalo ka natulog. Nagpaapos na yung daddy niya.
Kasakit na ba?
Nagbanding sa niya. Ang kaon. Sabi kagad. Hilik ko sa examen ko. Tangan tadi lagi itong bangko. Wala pa lagi itong bangko.
Kasi wala pa na.
Bangko or lamisa. Bangko pa na po. 40 minutes lang. Ayan. Sana po. Okay, pwede mo po. Nanang mo na. Nanang na. Nanang na. Nanang na.
Oh my gosh! Lian is so fast! Oh no!
Sulod na na, ayaw ko sana.
What?
Meron ka itong kasi ang kuan, computer.
Oo, kita.
Nanay man gusto niya yan. Si Peter.
Good.